Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how to install Python and use Jupyter Notebook for our Python programming, data science projects and data analytics projects. So let's head straight to it. If today is your first time coming, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you. Let's head straight to Google and download our Python. Go to the original website. Now this is the latest version for Windows. If you are using Mac, you also see your version here. So if you are using Windows, just click on it and it will automatically start downloading. Once the download is done, all that we need to do is just to install. You can see it here. Just double click to start the installation. So let's click on install. So our setup is successful. We can just close this one. Once our installation is done, before we even install the Jupyter Notebook, we need to check whether we've added the Python to our environment. So the first thing that we need to do is just to go to CMD to access that, to see if you can find the version of the Python installed on our machine. So once you are in the CMD, just type Python. Now you can see that it's trying to open, it's trying to let us download text, which means that it does not recognize that Python is installed on our machine. So what do we do? Let's go and type environment. Let's open our environment. And once we are here, let's go to the environment variable. Now here you have to add the Python to the files. You have to add the path here. And when you are here, open file location. Once you are here, click on it again. Right click to go to file location, because this is just a shortcut to go to file location again. Once you are here, this is our Python itself. So we can copy this one. We can copy this path. This is the path that we are looking for. We can copy it. And once we are done copying, let's come back to our environment variable. So once you are here, let's click on path and click on edit. So once we open our edit, let's add new path and then paste what we copied. Click OK. And let's come here also and locate path. Edit. Add new. So paste. Save. Now you can save all of them. Okay, save it. So you can now press it. Now let's go back to our CMD. So once our CMD open, let's see if we can find the Python installed on our machine. Good. So now it's telling us that this is the version of the Python we have, Python 3.12.7, which means that it has now recognized. So the next thing that we need to do is to install Jupyter. Now we have two ways of installing Jupyter. It's either you use the Anaconda or you install Jupyter directly on the machine. I prefer installing the Jupyter directly on the machine. So let's also go to our CMD once again. Now you can type pip install Jupyter. Pip is not recognized, which means that we still need to also add the environment, the path of it, the environment variables. So let's also look at, you can find that at the same place where we find the Python. Let's open file location for this. You see that we have pick here. So all that we need to do is just copy this path again and go for our environment variable. add new variable. So the same thing, path, edit, new, then paste. We are doing okay. We come here to add new, paste. Okay. Okay. So we are done. Okay. So right now, let's also check it. Keep this now. Let's close this and reopen it again. So now let's say okay. Good. So now we have it. So once that we have it, let's install Jupyter directly. Pip install Jupyter. It will take a while and then it will install Jupyter for us. It's still installing, so let's give it some time. Alright, so our Jupyter is done installing, so we can now close this one. Now I want to open Jupyter in a folder where I'll be doing or I'll be using it. So let me open this and then open Python. Now over here, I can launch Jupyter straight from here using command prompt. Now I can also launch it. I can just open command prompt and launch it. But what I want to do here is that I want to make sure that once I launch it, whatever I'm doing is saved in this particular folder. So I have to open the folder and launch command prompt from that folder before launching Jupyter Notebook, so that whatever I'm doing will be saved directly in this folder. So just come here, and then once everything is highlighted, you can just clear it or just type CMD, and then once CMD is open, you see it's pick the folder directly. So whatever I'm doing, it's affecting that particular folder. So just type Jupyter Notebook and click OK. So it's now opening Jupyter for us. This is my first time, that is why it's asking me to select an app that I want to use to open this. I want to use Chrome to always open my Jupyter, so I'll select it and then choose always. So it's loading my Jupyter Notebook for me. With this one, you don't need internet for it to work. Even if you don't have internet, you will learn Jupyter, it will open for you. So right now, it's now open. My Jupyter is now open, and the folder I've opened Jupyter Notebook is empty. So you won't see anything. You see that there is no folder, there is no file or folder inside. So this is Jupyter Notebook. And if I want to start anything, I just come to new, and then I'll launch the Python. Yes. So once you click over here, it will also open in a different tab for you, where you can start doing anything. Good. So this is our Jupyter kernel. You can now start doing anything. You can now start with anything over here. So this is how we install Python and Jupyter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button.